Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel in which we bring you all the latest and most epic moments from the world of bikers. All sorts of epic encounters recorded on BIKERS GoPro can be found right here in this channel, and this episode won't disappoint. Make sure to sit tight, press play and stick till the end for this epic episode. Biker came across some careless drivers who have zero chill and respect towards others in traffic. Unfortunately, those exact drivers are the reason for a lot of accidents on the road. Make sure to pay close attention at their mistakes and learn from them. It's a fact that a lot of people don't know how to behave at roundabouts, and therefore I'd recommend that you slow down and open your eyes wide when you're at one of them. It came to a heated road rage simply because the biker pulled up to this lady and politely asked her to move her car. Apparently, she didn't appreciate anyone approaching her vehicle, and a circus show took place from there on.
Can you not pull out? Are you not able to pull out? Answer that though. Are you able to pull out? No, I am not. Why? Because you are not respectful. Because you're a moron. You are too. You are disrespectful. Don't approach no one car and sit there and stare when there's kids in the fucking car. My kids are asking me who the you are. So go to the front. In front. No, I don't have to give anything.
At this moment, the Karen's emotions got the better of her and she landed a slap on the biker. Now, in some other cases, a guy might easily strike back, but this biker managed to contain his anger, and hats off to you, sir.
Hey, do
not. Whoa, don't touch him. Don't touch him. You touch him. Hey, don't. Hey, I get you got a problem.
Dude,
I get you got a problem.
But he doesn't get to call me out of my hand.
He didn't touch you.
No, he doesn't get to call me out of my hand, approach my car, and be a...
You're mad.
You don't. You don't. I am aggressive.
Get your man.
I am aggressive. You don't get to approach my car.
Get in your car.
You don't get to call me out of my name and be... No, you don't. You don't. You... That's fine. It is in your mother...
It's in public.
It is within your demeanor.
Get in your car.
Oh, you don't care.
Oh my God.
No, I'm not coffee. You want to leave? Go right ahead. You want to call the
just
police?
go.
The police station is right there.
Oh yeah,
Good.
I'm so worried.
Well,
Let's
then
call the
you
police.
too.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get coffee, and that's gonna be that. Good job.
Somebody approached my
I'm
car.
sorry, but you're not recording his retarded ass, right?
I recorded both of you, actually.
No, you actually didn't.
So
You didn't record that.
I recorded you
didn't
hitting him
record
for no
that.
reason.
You didn't record him.
I see him walk up to you and
guys
say,
are
please not park.
I believe so. You're gonna stick together. It's all good.
Apparently it's not all good.
I'm not afraid of you at all. I'm not afraid. Just have a picture soaking up. And now you're following me. And now you're following me. Okay, and I'm standing by my car. There you go. Ah, también tú, pendejo. Estás pendejo.
Este loco.
people, am I right, folks?
Suck them in.
Awesome. Crazy, man.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you?
Kidding me?
This exact same police officer is pulling the biker over for the third time. One can almost say that they're buddies by now. This time, the cop saw him speeding, and that's the reason for the pullover. Will the biker be lucky this time and get a warning or not? Stick around to find out.
Car?
Well, I was actually going to go for you before when you zipped around the car at the intersection there at 6th and A or 7th and A.
Okay.
Saw that too.
I mean, the guy wasn't going at the light, so I was,
Matter.
I mean,
And the way you did it was not proper, and you know that. So.
okay. Do you mind if I dismount?
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
You want to grab me your stuff as well?
Yeah, I do have a firearm in my backpack,
Okay.
so I do have my registration in there too. So I don't know if you want to go for it or I should.
Where's your license and stuff?
My license is in my back pocket.
Okay.
I don't have a copy of my insurance on me, but I do have it.
Okay.
It's completely registered, everything like that.
Okay.
So
I'll just take your DL.
okay.
Driver's license,
All right.
and
Cool.
we'll go with that.
Cool. If I get off.
Yep.
Okay.
You have a concealed weapons permit?
No.
What a twist!
According to the cop, it's illegal to carry a weapon without a weapon conceal permit, even if that weapon is in your backpack. And now, the biker could be facing even more problems with the information he gave to the officer. Make sure to stay tuned to see the end of this outcome.
Even if it's in my backpack, like if I don't have a trunk or anything.
Well, you still shouldn't be carrying a concealed weapon.
Okay. Well, I just figured since I didn't have a trunk like this.
Okay, sit tight for me. I'll be right back.
Okay.
So you're being issued a citation for speed racing. On the back side of the citation are 4 options. Pick one of those 4 options. Fits you best. Take care of by the 13th of July, 8:30 a.m. Josephine County Courthouse.
Okay, and when you say speed racing, like is that, what does that mean? Like as far as
Basically, you accelerated at a high rate of speed to
Okay.
pass another vehicle on the highway.
okay,
Okay.
is that like reckless driving or anything?
It's a speed racing. It's
Okay.
a separate statute all on its own.
Okay,
So, and you can get that for taking off like you do from a stoplight.
okay,
That's at a high rate of speed. That's speed racing as well, even though you're not necessarily speeding or racing another vehicle.
right.
It fits under the speed racing statute as well.
We don't defend bad road behavior, whether it's from drivers or riders. In this situation here, a group of bikers was acting so recklessly on the road, almost as if the whole road is their own private playground. They were moving in and out of lanes and cutting other vehicles off. Biker was just minding his own business here and enjoying a nice ride on a beautiful day. But then, a random driver from the opposite lane gave him the no finger for no reason at all. The situation didn't end there, since the biker was in a cheerful mood to play around.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in...
In this situation, the biker hit the gas a bit too much for his own good, and he nearly crashed into a road median. Luckily, a crash was somehow avoided as he regained control of his bike in the last possible second.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Bike lane paint was still fresh and slippery, and the biker learned it the hard way, but luckily he didn't crash. SUV driver that was in front of the biker had really poor lane discipline. One lane was obviously not enough for him, as he was slowly but surely moving over into the biker's lane, forcing him out. If you're watching this clip, please avoid the same mistake as the driver here. Indicating does not give anyone the right of way. Besides indicating, you're obliged to look at your mirrors before making a lane change, people. This champion of a driver didn't bother using his turn signals, nor checking his mirrors before making a lane change. Something we don't recommend you to do, especially during a rush hour where vehicles are flying all over the place.
Did you miss me?
This biker came across a group of other bikers led by certain someone who doesn't even know how to ride properly, because he entered the corner way too fast and found himself in a completely wrong lane.
Welcome back to the channel. You know how we come in. making money. बस मुझे डर लग रहा है कि मैं ज़्यादा रेव ना कर दूं क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा पावर है.
Crazy driver ignored the biker completely, almost as if the biker was thin air. He passed him way too close here. If you're watching this clip, please never be rude and selfish to this degree.
भोसड़ी का
This has got to be one of the most confused drivers I ever saw. I think that he himself was not quite so sure about what he was doing and where he was heading to. Just watch his bizarre driving.
Okay. Watch yourself, bro. Man, what an idiot!
He at least managed to use his turn signals, but he forgot another crucial element, and that would be to check his side mirrors before changing lanes. Biker entered the sharp corner way too fast, and as a result, he ended up on the wrong side of the road. He was lucky enough that no vehicles passed by in that moment, otherwise it would be really bad for him. No matter how you look at it, this crazy driver did this on purpose. He saw the cyclist riding in a bike lane, and for some reason, he entered the bike lane as well and slowed him down. I only got one question. Why? With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope that you guys managed to enjoy watching and perhaps picking up a thing or two based on all the mistakes you saw. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already have the chance to? If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, don't forget to click on the bell button as well to stay up to date with all the latest content I put out. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.